I'm going to show you how our new portable induction unit works for any chafing dish. You have a two-piece heater here. These are magnets. They will be attracted to this stainless steel plate that you put inside your water pan. You also have a control panel. We'll normally heat most chafers around 200, 300 watts, which will allow you to do 7 or 8 of these at least on a 20 amp circuit. You also have a 9-hour timer, which is very compatible with food service. Most inductions have an hour timer, maybe an hour and a half. You have to keep coming back and resetting it. So very simple. Put this plate in a water pan, steam table water pan, a chafing dish water pan, they're all the same. Wherever that unit is in the chafing dish pan, this heater is going to stick down below. Add your water like you normally do, set your timer, set your temperature, and you're in business. No more canned fuel.